Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Lilibet Mularto, 44 years old, married, and I have one son, 18 years old. I'm a high school graduate.
If you get hard, who will take care of your son?
My husband will take care of my son.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have a brothers, one, and I have 4 sisters.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I'm working experience as domestic helper in Singapore. They have Chinese family, and I started 2018 until 2023. One couple, and they have 2 children, 5 years old and 1.5 years old. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, and marketing, etc. I just take care of the children and do ironing clothes, and marketing. And I work other employer, Italian family, 1 couple and 2 children. They have 14 years old and 12 years old. And also I work other family in Singapore, 2023-2024. They have 1 couple and they have 2 children, 14 years old and 12 years old. And I do cooking, ironing, laundry, clothes, and marketing, and take care of their children.
Are you willing to sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer is not home and the baby keep crying? What will you do?
I will cuddle the baby, and I check the diaper is wet. I will change it, and I will check also if the baby is hungry, and I will check also the temperatures of the baby if they have a fever. And I will ask my employer if they have a fever. I will call my employer to ask the further instructions.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money to support my family, especially with son education.
How about if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I just pray and focus my attentions on my work.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round through all the town.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. I love pets.
Do you have any foods you don't eat or food allergy?
No, ma'am. I don't have any allergy.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract. If my employer wants to work with them, I will stay.
Please describe yourself.
I am a trustworthy, honest, and responsible person.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. I hope you choose me as your helper. I will try. I'm a hardworking, honest, and trustworthy person. I hope you choose me. I promise to serve your family as long as you need me. I will finish my contract as long as. Thank you.